Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do I reset my key fob after replacing the battery? Replace the batteries inside the key fobs. Get inside the car. Press the lock button on remote. Listen for a lock sound. Turn off the ignition. Step out from your car and test the result.
Take our lead.
The cost to replace the latest key fobs can run anywhere from $50 to as high as $400 depending on the brand, says Consumer Reports automotive analyst Mel Yu. And that's just for the fob. Add another $50 to $100 to get replacement fobs programmed to work with your car and to have a new mechanical backup key made.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Look for a hidden slot near the steering column that might not be obvious at first. Press the start button with the key itself. Some cars can still detect dead key fobs this way in emergencies. If it's a cold day, go indoors and warm up the key fob with your breath.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Make sure that you use the correct type of battery. A different battery will have a different voltage and the system may not register properly, even if the fob still works. If you have multiple key fobs, it's a good idea to replace all of the batteries at the same time as they tend to run out at the same time.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.